Ah, youth. So young. So pure. We've all had our childhood memories. Along with them is our childhood TV shows. But what our parents always used to make us watch while they were busy in the other room were those childhood TV shows that we all remember dearly. There was Blue's Clues, SpongeBob, and countless others that taught us the value of life and how the world worked. They taught us friendship. They taught us how to share. They taught us how to count. But one show in particular stood out from the rest. You may remember the show Sesame Street. The one where colorful monsters, animals, humans came together to teach us all to be good people. They taught us how to count, the alphabet, values, morals in general. It was basically our entire childhood. But what if I told you that our childhood was real? But it's not quite as you remember it.
Hey, no, please, don't be scared. No. It's just me. It's your old pal, Big Bird. Remember? I know I look sort of different now, but I'm still your friend. Right? Right, Mr. Snuffleupagus? What do you mean that's not your name? Of course it is. Why, you look different, but that's still you. Right, Mr. Snuffleupagus? What do you mean? This isn't a costume. These are my feathers. This is me. It's your old pal, Big Bird. Over the past decade, over tens of hundreds of children, teenagers, and some young adults go missing just by seeing him standing by their fences, by their doorways, in their windows, in their trees. They see him everywhere. If they dare point, nor stare or glare in his direction, once he sees you, and once he knows you see him, you best pray to God Almighty that he doesn't catch you. Nobody knows where he takes you. Nobody knows what he does to you. But all we know is that he's looking for his friend, Mr. Snuffleupagus. And you best pray he doesn't think that's you.
So remember, never point, never stare, and never look nor glare.